Welcome to Geometry Zone. Today we will draw an angle without using a protractor. At first we draw a line using a scale and a pencil, which is a baseline. Now we take a pencil compass with a pencil and we set up this. Then we draw a an arc. Now place the compass point and one end of the line and draw a smooth arc above the baseline. Mark a point on this arc. Suppose this point is A and on the baseline one end point is A and another point on the baseline is B. Now if we join the 2 points O and A, we get a line OA and it extends up to a point P. Now take an arrow towards the OP and take an arrow towards OB. Therefore, finally, we get an angle POB. Angle POB. POB. Whose vertex is O and two arms are OA and OB.